Do you understand different African countries and their meaning?
Yes.
Uganda.
Unique generation and naturally developmental Africans.
Ethiopia.
Economically top. Healthy income, organized people in Africa.
Nigeria.
Nice individuals generally ever roaming in Africa.
Somalia.
Some of meaningful achievers live in America. Kenya. Keenly educated, noisy young Africans. Sudan, simple unity divided Africans need. Rwanda, rich with absolute national development agenda.
Congo,
common original natural gold opportunities.
Cameroon,
common Africans mostly energetic, recognizable obviously on neighbors. Ghana, gifted, hardworking and no-nonsense Africans. NRG, new radio generation.
What is that?
New radio generation.
What do you mean?
Go back to Uganda and listen to 106.5.
Why are you wrong?